Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. My tutorial today I'm going to focus on Google Inactive Account Plan. Google Inactive Account Plan uses a inactive account manager that plans whatever happens to your data if you can't use your data or any account more. The importance of this is that anytime that I stop using my Google account, or maybe I get inactive, Google has provided a platform where I can provide a number or an email address where I'll be notified, or maybe I can give an option where I would love Google to delete those details. So we can see here we are able to come and see and set up the inactive account manager. We can say start, and we'll be able to see, we can see tell us how long we should wait to do so. We can see maybe in case I stop using my account after 3 months, let it be declared inactive. Before we take action, we'll contact multiple times and SMSs. You will be able to provide a number that Google will be able to contact you before they delete. We can say manage. Also, you can provide an email address. Also, we'll come to choose the people to notify. Google has provided you with a chance to provide 10 people you can choose up to 10 people to notify if Google account becomes inactive, and you can also give them access to some data. So we can also and the other option is that we can decide if the other option that a functionality of inactive account manager is that you can decide if the account, if you have Google account, if you are inactive in Google account, should be deleted. After your Google becomes inactive, we should be able to delete its content. So basically here we had this. We'll be able to review the plan. Once we review the plan, you are told to confirm your plan. Check through the summary of what happened to your Google. Your account will be considered inactive 3 months. This is the plan that I've chosen. Google will not notify anyone. Here I have 10 options of 10 people who can choose. Your inactive account will not be deleted. Receive email reminders of the inactive account being turned on. I'll say confirm the plan, and surely the plan has been updated. So welcome to Lifestyle Tutorials. If you find this tutorial useful, ensure you leave a thumbs up for YouTube algorithm to recommend it to more people. And once I come here, we'll receive a notification telling us that our Google inactive plan was updated. Thank you.